Texture styles change completely when particle placement shifts across a surface. Today, how to explore speckle distribution styles. Launch Photoshop and create a 2048 pixel square canvas with a dark background for contrast. Add a new layer, fill it with black, then generate noise at about 75% Gaussian monochromatic. Use levels to isolate bright speckles and switch blend mode to screen. Duplicate the layer and go to Filter, Pixelate, Crystallize with a low cell size to cluster particles differently. Lower its opacity so it blends with the original distribution. Add another duplicate and use Filter, Blur, Motion Blur at a slight angle so some particles streak.